down the table. Hi.
Hi, Alex. Hi.
He's looking up. So why don't you just present the sound, Nancy, and then we'll see if he's, has any reaction just to your voice.
No toy.
You just want to present the sound first, and then we'll see if he looks and starts turning to you or anything like that. Perfect. Awesome.
He looked right at you.
Awesome.
Need a toy?
Yeah. So he looked up, so the reward.
That's right.
Whoa.
Oh. Wow. He's never done that before.
He shoots, he scores.
Yes. That was amazing.
That is really the first time I've seen that.
That's great.
It was your airplane. That airplane goes, look. It goes round and round right there. Should we fly it? That's right. That's what the airplane is.